What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins coming back with another video, another banger, another unboxing. Let's go! Alright guys, so finally I got my hands on a pair of Saya Collective. Man, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. You know what I'm saying? You can share this if you'd like. But I finally got my hands on a pair of Saya Collective Vulture high top. I'm just excited. I don't even know what to say, honestly, because I've been waiting for this shoe for a while. Like, not this shoe specifically. This shoe specifically came to my house in 3 days. But I've been waiting to get one of these pairs of shoes in hand to show the people. You know what I'm trying to say? And to actually just see in hand, see in person, see if it actually lives up to the hype. I mean, I'm sure it does, but you know, you never know until you get one in hand. I still got 2 more pre-orders coming in, so this won't be the only pair. But this is the packaging it came in. Y'all see the Vulture on the back of the box. My box kind of got done in dirty, but we ain't even gonna talk about that. Size 10. Label reads Saya Collective model CV0.02. Coolest gray. And then the box. You know what I'm saying? Packaging is nice. Like I said, it looked like in transit, my box might have, you know, seen better days or something, but it's all good, man. It's all good. So we're gonna open this thing up. How do you? Ooh. Oh, y'all fancy over there at Saya Collective. Individually packed. Bow. See that reflective? You can already see the reflective on this joint. I like these. Bow. Alright. So this is their like version of a high top sock runner. The foam seems pretty soft. I mean, it's not like Yeezy soft or nothing like that, but just look at the traction on the bottom. Oh my God. Now the shoe is reflective. Got the super long. I got laces to go with this too. I got some reflective laces. Okay, there you go. So we got the Saya Collective on the tongue. That is their logo. Has quite the intricate lacing system. So it has holes for you to slide the laces through, and you can do it in any design that you want. I don't even see where the lace ends. Oh, here we go. These are some long laces. Check it out, man. I might have to throw these on feet. This is not a shoe I'm gonna resell. This is a shoe that hopefully I'll be able to wear every day. You know what I'm saying? So I might have to do a little quick on foot, but let's go around the shoe. Quite the cool little fly knit design. Isn't that cool? And I think the further back I go, you could tell that they're reflective. Quite reflective. I'm super happy to get my hands on these though. It's been a while. Now in the back right here, if you want to tighten this around your ankles, you just go ahead and pull this right here. Has a little lace lock right here. So that way if you don't want it baggy, you know what I'm saying? Around the ankle, you want a snug fit. These are dope though. I like the packaging. Like I said, they came individually in their own plastics. Now I guess really all there is to do is slide these joints on feet and just honestly see how they feel. You might have to go step upstairs where we have a little bit better lighting. And I'll throw these joints on feet. Yeah, these are dope, man. Black owned company, Saya Collective, man. I always say the link's in the bio, but you can just go find them. Look, and this is my thing. If you're going to go to the Saya Collective, don't hop in the comments, you know, being a hater. That's like literally the last thing you want to do. If you're going to get a pre-order from these guys, it takes some time. They actually have to make the shoe. It's not like they just have these shoes sitting in backstop. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, if you don't, the shoe normally sells out. The shoe normally sells out in minutes on their website. They don't post it before. They don't post the price of the shoe before. Literally, at 9 o'clock on Saturdays, they drop the shoe, and that's when you'll know what it costs. If you got your money together and you got your money ready, then that's it. You know, Apple Pay works best. You know what I'm saying? That's what I use when I get up on there. You just hit the Apple Pay. That way it has your email address, has all your information already ready, and it's done like that. Because these shoes do sell out in minutes. And then if he does give you, like I said, if he does give you the opportunity to do a pre-order, then if you do the pre-order, you have to trust the process. It takes some time. Like I said, I still have 2 shoes that are coming in from pre-orders. But this shoe right here was like, you know, was a shoe he had already gone through production, and he put it up for sale. Get it? Got it? Good. Side Collective, man, I'm super happy I got my hands on these. Now I'm just going to do a quick on foot. I'm going to take these upstairs. And then that'll be it, man. And I'll sign off just like that. I appreciate everybody for tapping in with your boy. It's your boy, Bert Collins. Let's do it on foot then, man.